Welcome to the English Time at the Voice of Rappern University. I am Rasul H presenting a new episode of the podcast. Today we are going to talk about a very popular topic, which is environmental pollution. For that, I have got 3 students of English department at the College of Basic Education. Very welcome to the program. Can you please, each of you, introduce yourself?
Hello everyone, my name is Helin Zahir. I'm so happy to be here today.
Welcome, Helen.
Hello, my name is Gashbin Khidr. I'm so happy to be here today.
Thank you, Gashbin. Welcome to the program.
Greetings everyone. I am Nima Sileman.
Very welcome, Nima. Okay, as we know that environmental pollution has been a great problem all around the world. So let's see what exactly environmental pollution or pollution is. Can you please, Helen, give us a definition about environmental pollution?
Environmental pollution can be defined as any undesirable change in physical, chemical, or biological characteristic of any component of environment, i.e., air, water, soil, which can cause harmful effects on various forms of life or property.
Okay, thank you. So what do you think, Gashbin, of the term pollution and environmental pollution?
When harmful substances contaminate the environment, it is called pollution. Pollution refers to the very bad condition of environment in terms of quantity and quality.
Okay, thank you so much, Gashbin. So what do you think, Nima, environmental pollution is?
Environmental pollution is the contamination of regular environmental process due to the pollution of the air and atmosphere's biological and physical components. The water we drink and the air we breathe, in which we depend, are all impacted by pollution. The number of human and animals and plants will decrease if pollution levels continue to rise, since they won't be able to adapt to a greatly changed environment.
Okay, thank you so much, Nima. We knew that when harmful substances contaminate the environment, it is called pollution. But let's see what are the main types of pollution. So can you please, Helen, just mention the types of pollution?
Well, there are 6 major types of pollution: water pollution, air pollution, noise pollution, land pollution, visual pollution, and radioactive pollution.
Okay, thanks. So the first type is called air pollution, which refers to the pollution of the air around us, maybe because of smokes and any kind of substances that are available in the atmosphere. So what are exactly some major causes of air pollution? Can you tell us, please, Gashbin?
Well, major sources of air pollution are industries, automobile and domestic fuels, mist and smoke.
Okay, thank you, Gashbin. So what exactly some effects of air pollution are? Can you tell us, please, Nima?
Well, air pollution affects human health, animals, plants, the atmosphere as a whole, and global warming.
Okay, thank you, Nima. So let's go to another type of pollution. Can you tell us, Helen, what kind of other pollution do we have?
Noise pollution is considered to be unwanted sound that affect the health and well-being of humans and other organisms.
Okay, so what are some of the causes of noise pollution? Can you tell us, please, Gashbin?
Well, some causes of noise pollution are traffic noise, aircraft noise, noise from construction and civil engineering workers, noise from industries, noise from other sources.
Thank you so much, Gashbin. Okay, thank you, Gashbin. So, Nima, can you tell us about some of the effects of noise pollution?
In fact, they are hearing loss, high blood pressure, stress, sleep disturbance, and color blindness.
Okay, thank you. So let's go to another type of pollution, which is called visual pollution. What exactly do you mean by visual pollution?
Well, visual pollution disturbs the visual areas of people by creating harmful changes in the natural environment, like billboards, open storage of trash, and overcrowding of an area causing visual pollution.
Okay, Thank you so much. Let's go to another type, which is called land pollution. What exactly do you mean by land pollution?
Well, land pollution is when the surface of the earth becomes contaminated and damaged by the presence of toxic chemicals in the soil by things that people do.
Okay, thank you so much. What are some of the causes of land pollution?
The causes of this type pollution are mining, erosion and quarrying, household garbage, urbanization and uncontrolled land treatment, burying open dumps and forest fire, and deforestation.
Okay, thank you so much. Let's go to another type of pollution which is very popular, and it's called water pollution. It's very dangerous. What exactly do you mean by water pollution?
We all know that water is an important element of life, which every human being must hold it safe and clean in order to survive. 40% of deaths in the world are caused by water pollution. Such problem is the main reason for cholera and many more diseases.
Thank you so much. So let's go to some of the main causes of water pollution.
Well, water pollution is caused by organic and inorganic industrial wastes and effluents discharged into rivers.
Thank you so much. Okay, we all knew the types of pollution and the causes of pollution. Right now, and finally, we are going to discuss how to stop, or what are the ways to stop pollution.
We believe that it is the responsible thing to do to increase recycling. It is just like doing laundry and separating blacks and colors. The residents of country should also try and do their part and put it at least one day of litter picking up.
Thank you so much. Anything else about ways to stop pollution?
However, the government try and take precautions such employing cleaners and add signs everywhere near the resort. The consequences will be much better.
Okay, thank you so much everyone. Thanks for being here and joining us. Until the next episode, bye-bye.